Hello, welcome to the Fall 2019 Project 1. Uh, let's get started. So first of all, I'd like to open my Eclipse to run the project and I'll show you the project details and the files which I've used to the project and all the other remaining workspaces which I've done. So here's my project file db3 which was given to us for the previous assignment. We have got I've done the same. I've just used the same file in order to do my project, and I've added few files to this project, like the change passwords Java, login.java, main servlet.java, registration.java, root login.java. And in the JSP files and the JSON files, I've added change password.java, login.java, login.jsp, uh, registration.jsp, and root login.jsp. So to start the project, I would like to go to my login.jsp, which from where we can log in for a new user. So here I would like to run it through my Tomcat Apache Server 1. So it's taking a while to run because of the server, but finally it's running through. So here is my login portal for the users who have already registered in the database. So by entering the email for the database which I have created in the backend, so let's get started with the normal user who is not an admin. So one of the users I've created is anin@gmail.com, and the password I've used is 1234. Like if I hit login here, it will show that I have logged in. It shows us that I logged in, and it redirects me to a different page for the future references. But if I logged in with a root user, saying for password using the pass 1234, if I log in through this, it will redirect me to the root user page where I can change my password to a different password, like 1234 and 1234, and it will change in the backend user for me. So if I'm done with this, it just redirects me to the login page where I can start with the root user and enter the password 1234, and I can sign up, and it will show her it will sh- shows us it shows the password change page and initialize database page. Initialize database. So the password change page, I've used a different JSP file which is change password, and for the Java I've used a different file, change password.java. So in this file, I've created a new string called password and repeat password, for which it stores the values in my database, and I've given the connection. I've entered my SQL query to update the password, and this is my connection for the MySQL JR, MySQL JDBC, and the root, the username and the password are right here, and my database is sample DB. So here is my code which I have set to in order to make the change password work, and going through the other files which I've created, for example, like the registration page. It also it gives us new user. This file uh, gives the users to create, gives the new users, upcoming users, to create a new login for themselves. Let's see a demo of this registration.jsp page. If I run this page, if I run my registration.json file, it goes to the register page where I've created a registration form for the new upcoming users. And let's create a new user. So I will give a sample database, a sample username for this. I'll give sample details to create a new user, and I will give the password as sample, and I will repeat the same password, sample. So if I didn't fill out the any form, like the age in this form, it would give me an error saying that this field is required in order to complete my form. So it does it for all the fields in this form. So I'll now go again and enter the age, and I will log in. It pops up that I've successfully registered, and it redirects me to to the new email, to the email login portal page which I've previously shown you. And for example, if I gave an email which is not existing in the database, for example, let's say portal at gmail.com, and I will give any password. It gives me it shows an error, and it will redirect me to this, to the register page where I can register for new users. So this is basically my project of the part one, and I have some difficulties with the initialized database, which I would like to talk to the TA regarding that, and I would try to do it with the help of the TA. Thank you. Thanks for viewing this video, and thanks. Bye bye.